It's the first time na itatry natin ang DDR5. And I'm really excited to build this one around a Intel Core i9 together with a Aorus na motherboard and of course a RTX na 3080 from Gigabyte Aorus as well. And first time ko rin magagamit ng 2TB na NVMe na SSD from Kingston. And we packed together in this video everything na feel ko would be a solid buy for you this coming 11/11 or even the Christmas season. So ano, may upgrade itch ba kayo? Continue watching this video. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo guys, everything that I'll be using in this build. So, let's start off with memory natin. It's coming from Kingston and it's called the Kingston Fury Renegade. It's a DDR5 no, na may clock speed na 7200. So, dalawang 16GB na sinalpak natin sa ating motherboard to give us that better experience. And with a clock speed of 7200, I'm pretty sure it's fast. And of course, meron tayong solid-state drive na NVMe na PCIe 4.0 from Kingston. It's the KC3000. This one is a 2TB na storage. It's pretty huge. It's my first time. No? Normally, I'll be using a 1TB, but this time, in-upgrade na natin sarili natin into a 2TB na storage. And it has a read speed of up to 7,000 Mbps. Malalaman natin later sa mga benchmarking kung kamusta ang kanyang performance. And of course, ang graphics card na gamit natin is a Aorus na Extreme RTX na 3080. It's my first time din to use a higher graphical card other than yung mga 3060 and 4060. And of course, ang ating processor is a 12th gen na Intel Core i9 na 12900K. Gold siguro ang kanyang performance. Oh. Ang gaming motherboard na gamit natin is Aorus Z790. Ang power supply natin is a PQ580M na modular from Deepcool. And ang cooler natin is a AG620 from Deepcool. It's a dual tower na CPU cooler. And it's also my first time to try something like this one. Ang sound natin is being powered by Creative Stage Air V2. Keyboard and mouse natin powered by Rapoo 9900M. And ang case natin dito is Mesh Digital by Deepcool na itatry natin. No? Dito natin kinabit everything. And makita natin there's a temperature na guide dito sa gilid, which is definitely cool. So after natin i-boot on desktop PC natin, which hindi ko na pinakita sa inyo para hindi masyadong mahaba itong video na ito. So the first thing that I did is of course to hit the BIOS and of course adjust natin yung kanyang overclocking para sa kanyang RAM. So this one by default is a DDR5 na 7200 na MHz. In-adjust natin yung kanyang clock speed no, to CL38-44-44 and 1.45 volts siya. So, dalawang 16 gig do, so we have a total memory of 32 gig. So, nag-benchmarking muna tayo using the IDA64 to check yung benchmarking netong RAM na ito. So, these are the result na nakuha natin. Chinek natin ang task manager's performance. Tama naman, naka 7200 na siya. And of course, itong M.2 na SSD natin from Kingston. Now, checking some data here from Crystal Dismark. So, I was able to get a 7,000 Mbps read speed and a 6,800 write speed, which is pretty much okay for me. I'm really a fan of fast read and write speed. And this is really a cherry on my liking. Kasi sobrang bilis, sobrang halos walang downtime. And so, halos walang masyadong waiting time when you're transferring files. So, lalo mga big files at 10 gig, pag-transfer, no? Mabilisan lang siya. So if you're looking for a really reliable na M.2 SSD, check nyo itong KC3000 ni Kingston. So what we did, kinalibrate natin everything. So we installed quite several titles dito, Cyberpunk. We also put Red Dead Redemption, Forza Horizon 5, just to test a few games dito sa PC na ito. And of course, we did some Premiere Pro edit, Photoshop edit dito. Everything was quite a breeze. I was really excited to try it out kasi meron tayo 3080 na RTX from Aorus na Extreme. It really is taking it to a different level kasi medyo nagagamit ko lang is mga 4060 and 3060. Itong graphics card nito gives me that better enjoyment, especially when I'm editing, mas mabilis. Mas mabilis, hindi siya masyado nag-hang. No? Kasi pag nag-edit ka, yun ang pinaka-problema mo, yung hang time. So right now, medyo kinakapa ako pa ang DaVinci Resolve. I might try to make the switch to try out itong pinagkakaguluhan nilang bagong video editing app. No? Not really new, but it's more of mas flexible siya in terms of pang 2023 that many mga content creator has been telling me na you can try itong DaVinci Resolve. If you're looking for a free na video editing software, you can try out for a starter DaVinci Resolve. Kasi si Premiere Pro may bayad siya every month. So here are some gameplays na papakita ko sa inyo, flexing out. So here are some quick gameplays na papakita ko sa inyo.
Hang on! Reloaded! That all you got? No! Okay! Take
We've already had cars falling out of the sky, but all eyes are on the superstar making their way to the festival right now. Did you hear that? Well, that is the last inbound cargo flight racing neck and neck with an AMG-1. How to make an entrance.
So as we can see, these gameplays are really nice. Ang bilis, wala akong problema. Editing on this one is definitely a breeze. Kasi itong video na ito mismo, inedit ko dito sa PC na ito. And to let you know that it's really fast, pag-export, mas mabilis din siya as compared sa nung gumagamit ng DDR4. I have another PC na DDR4. Pansin ko yung exporting time niya seems to be mga 2 minutes faster dito sa PC na ito, which probably if it's a bigger and longer video, you save a lot more time if you're using something like this. And one thing na nagustuhan ko dito sa Rapoo na 9900M, sobrang nipis siya. It's probably one of the keyboard na masasabi ko, wow, is this a keyboard? Sobrang nipis niya, oh. Tingnan nyo guys, ang nipis. I really like the way it is and sobrang sarap mag-type dito. And to try this one on gaming, kaya rin niya mag-perform. Even though it's not a mechanical keyboard, but having something like this so slick, so slim, and yet wireless pa siya, it really attracts me. Kasi sobrang sarap na gamitin. Pwede siya mag-connect up to 3 devices. So you can connect to your PC, to your tablet, and even to your smartphone. So combo niya is together with a mouse, so wala kang problema dito sa kanya. All you need to do is just hook it to your Bluetooth ng PC mo, and you're good to go. Experience ko dito sa mouse na ito is very responsive. Okay na okay siya, no? Medyo may pagka-ergonomic siya. So pag hawak mo, hindi masyado masakit dito sa kamay, unlike yung mga normal na mouse. Kasi when you're editing, matagal kong hawak ng mouse na ito. So mapapansin mo dito on this area, medyo sumasakit. But with this kind of ergonomics, it lessen yung stress sa aking kamay. And here's the fun part. Si Creative Stage Air V2, I'm a fan ng Creative nung back in the days. Kasi, well, si Creative nung gumagawa ng mga mga speakers Creative Lab, as we know. Alam na mga titos yan, no? So, tinry ko siya listening to Spotify. We tried it watching videos and we tried it playing games. And itong speaker na ito, no, itong soundbar na ito, is ang ganda ng kanyang sound, no? Quite ample enough listening in this small room. Kahit hindi ka na mag-headphones dito, panalong-panalo. The sound's really loud. And here's a quick test sample. So right now, guys, i-try na natin i-sound test itong Creative Lab na Stage Air V2. So, listening to the sound, nilagay ko lang sa 50% ang kanyang volume. Mas malakas pa siya pag naka 100% volume. Mapapakinggan mo yung bass niya. Ang ganda. Ang sarap makinig ng Spotify dito, manood ng video, and of course, to play some games. Like I told you, okay na okay ang kanyang sound. Malakas. Hindi ka either mag-use ng wired or Bluetooth, so it depends sa inyo. Ako, I use wired para medyo mas lossless ang sound. Now, one of the things na gusto natin malaman is yung airflow netong mesh digital ni Deepcool. So, we did try sa AIDA64 i-max load ang kanyang CPU, ang kanyang GPU, and gusto natin makita kung gaano kagandang airflow na meron dito sa case na ito. And of course, ang cooler natin, AG620. So, hindi siya yung liquid cooler na alam natin. No? This one is air-cooled lang siya. So, gusto lang natin i-test kung kaya ba niya i-handle si i9. So, nung naka-close ang case, nilagyan natin sa maximum ang kanyang workload, makita natin ang temperature ng CPU is naglalaro sa around mga 93 to 95. Doon yung average niya. And nung naka-open ang case, naglalaro siya at around mga 92 to 94. So, hindi nagkakalayo. So, meaning, very efficient ang cooling netong case natin. On the other side, si AG620, I don't think it's capable of cooling down si i9. So probably si AG620 might be good for i3 and i5. But if you're aiming for mga i7 and i9, I would highly recommend you get something better, yung mga liquid coolers from Deepcool. So one good thing na nakita ko dito sa Aorus Extreme na video card is that meron siyang display dito sa gilid. It looks really cute though. Nakasulat dito, nag-hello siya, no? Ang yung ibon. Makita mo, no? Team up and fight on. Ang ganda. It looks really fun lang tingnan when you're looking at the side of your case na meron display, no? Meron siyang mini na LED dito just to show you na merong ganong kaganda, merong ganong display. Not just simply RGB. Meron siyang display na talagang tumatakbo. May display lang siya. Na overall experience ko dito sa PC na ito, it's really fast. Ang sarap gumamit itong PC nito, especially when you're playing games and at the same time you're doing your video editing na medyo heavy. So I have yet to try DaVinci Resolve dito. Probably in the next few videos, try natin, i-share ko sa inyo ang aking experience using this PC na may DaVinci Resolve. But sa Premiere Pro, I would say walang problema. It's really fast. Okay ang aking encoding and okay din aking exporting. It's a lot faster than the 4060. It's a lot faster than the 3060 and probably even the 4060. Gaming experience for me personally is better, mas smoother ang graphics and it's much more fun, no? Together with the Creative Lab Stage Air V2, sobrang ganda ng sounds. Okay na okay pag talagang yung medyo spooky, no? Marinig mo talagang parang may bass. Okay na okay ang kanyang sounds. It really fills the room with sound. And kahit sagad-sagarin mo sa maximum, no? Hindi siya tunuglata. That's probably one of the most important for me. And guys, if you're looking for upgrades, all of these components, I'll be posting on the description box below for this 11/11 or probably for Christmas season. Now guys, stay tuned for more videos dito sa aking channel. I'll be doing mga top smartphones to buy this Christmas and some top gadgets to buy also this Christmas. And if you have friends na nag-upgrade na kanyang PC or looking to upgrade, you can share this video. And of course, a sub to this channel will be a winner. I'll see you soon. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.